Alright foodies, let's talk about the condiment that's been setting taste buds and social media ablaze. Chili crisp. This crunchy, fiery, oil-based mix of fried garlic, shallots, chili peppers, and Sichuan peppercorns has gone global. But its origins are deeply rooted in Chinese cuisine. It all started in the late 90s when a woman named Tao Huabi began selling her homemade chili crisp at a market in Guiying, China. Her unique flavors were an instant hit, and in 1997, she founded the now iconic Laogan Ma brand, helping chili crisp transcend its regional Guizhou roots. Fast forward a couple of decades, and chili crisp is an international sensation. Foodies everywhere are obsessed with its addictive crunch and punch of heat. Entrepreneurs have been bottling up their own tasty versions, making this condiment a multi-million-dollar industry. But not everything's been smooth sailing for chili crisp. Recently, it found itself at the center of a trademark battle royale. Momofuku's brand tried to lock down the term chili crunch, sending cease and desist to smaller businesses using similar names. Cue the outrage from the public and Asian food community who saw this as a cultural overreach. In the end, Momofuku backed down, relinquishing the trademark after realizing chili crunch is a common cuisine term that shouldn't be monopolized. Hey, a win for the little guys and for keeping cultural foods accessible. Look, whether you call it crisp or crunch, this tongue-tingling topping has achieved total food fame. It's the ultimate crispy umami bomb to wake up noodles, eggs, ice cream, you name it. With influencers and trends fueling its viral popularity, chili crisp isn't going anywhere anytime soon. It's officially ingrained itself into America's culinary makeover as a flavor-packed revolution in a jar. Have you tried chili crisp? What do you put it on? Share your experience in the comments. Well, there you have it, the Asian condiment that's blowing up the internet. Thanks for watching. Till next time, my friends, stay saucy.